gentlemen, our 5- and 6-year-olds, I think they need another round of applause, don't you think? Thank you, mommies, for doing this for us. Okay? Before we move on to the next item, would Geeta Ravindra and Namrata Kang's group please report backstage? Geeta Ravindra and Namrata Kang, please report backstage. Your items are next and we want you lined up. We are extremely excited to have a new president for our India Association this year, Mr. Rakesh Gupta, and he is so looking forward to introducing his new team to you all. And I would like to invite Mr. Rakesh Gupta to please come and bring along his team with him. Mr. Rakesh Gupta, we are waiting for you, sir.
No, if you are enjoying the program so far, please give me a round of applause. Thank you very much. Honorable guests, the Executive Committee, volunteers, and ladies and gentlemen, thank you for the honor and opportunity to speak before you on this joyous occasion of the 58th Republic Day of India. In this year, 2007, I see we people of Indian origin leading the world through our knowledge, skills, persistence, and history, while being acknowledged as a power to reckon with culturally, spiritually, technologically, and politically. As I congratulate all of you in celebrating the 58th Republic Day of India, I would like to take this opportunity to remind us all of the need to project a more mature, responsible, and respectable image wherever we go, whoever we interact with, and whatever we do. It behooves us to add quality and value to everything we deal with. The status quo should not be enough, and it is not enough. अगर हिंदी में कहें, ऐसा तो चलता है या हम कितने ही सालों से ऐसा ही करते आ रहे हैं, काफी नहीं है, काफी होना भी नहीं चाहिए. We should raise the bar of excellence and set up even higher standards by challenging ourselves to do better than before. In these times, we, the India Association, must tackle some of the simpler quality of social life matters. These include keeping our time commitments, reducing public noise, and maintaining a clean place of assembly. The larger the group we are in, the more important and of more value is time. For example, in an audience of 500 people, a single minute delayed results in a delay of 500 total community minutes. We intend to show respect to our audience by keeping the activity on time. Your cooperation and encouragement is paramount to achieving this goal. I thank you for showing that you care about public noise reduction through quiet program enjoyment and for keeping the place clean through your conscious efforts. Together, we can improve our image among ourselves and with the society at large. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Cultural Center of India for hosting us on this auspicious occasion. We have planned distinct quality events for the year 2007 that include sports, travel, and entertainment. Please check the newsletter Darpan for the latest information and visit our website www.iava.us. Darpan is now going to welcome your classified ads for any kind of personal announcements. We also seek your comments and suggestions to plan the future events. Now, there is some very important news here in Virginia to share with you. Please make a note. I am informed that the Virginia State Legislature has passed a resolution declaring January 26 as the Republic Day of India Day. India thus becomes the first nation being recognized in this manner by the state of Virginia. I'm going to take a few moments introducing the executive committee and the supporting groups and organizations so you know who these fine folks are that are dedicating their time and efforts to volunteer for this organization. To avoid overcrowding on the stage, I have requested only some of them to be present here. The remaining are in the audience, who I request to please stand up and be recognized. Yet some more of these fine folks are busy supporting this event. Let me call Vice President Naveen Chandran, Secretary Naveen Reddy, Treasurer Anil Jain, Cultural Director Meera Gupta, Social Director Varsha Naram, Membership Director Brij Mago, Sport Director Venkat Chettiar, Public Relations Director Marlene Tiwari, Community Relations Director Rumi Mohta. One person or organization who has contributed significantly to the success of getting the resolution passed about the Republic Day of India, including numerous Indian and Asian organizations, is Rumi Mohta, Chairman of the Asian American Society of Central Virginia. Thank you, Rumi, and all those who worked tirelessly for this landmark accomplishment. Next, New Platter Director of Durban, Sridhar Yaratha, Webmaster Sridhar Sundaram, Members at Large Himanshu Bhatia, Rajesh Garg, Adish Jain, Neelu Khanna, Sandeep Mehta, Mukul Pajne, and Tony Sapal. Please stand up and be recognized. We have added an advisory board headed by our lifetime chairman, Archibald Benson. Supporting him are members of past 5 India Association presidents, Chetan Mehta, Prabodh Chiplankar, Rajendra Dubey, Veena Shah,